our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn to the dynamically allocated memory in your C program using standard library functions malloc, calloc, free and realloc. Next, we discuss about the what is the dynamic memory location. Dynamic memory location means locating and delocate the memory at the runtime is called as the dynamic memory location. As you know, as the array is the collection of the fixed number of the values. Once the size of the array is declared, you cannot change it. But sometimes the size of the array you have declared, it is maybe efficient to solve these issues. You can locate the memories mutually during the runtime. This is known as the dynamic memory location in the C program. Next, functions that malloc, calloc, free and realloc. In that first one is the malloc. Malloc is the function is locate and reserve the block of the memories in specified bytes, and it is return the pointer to the first byte of the allocated memory space. It is called as the malloc. Next we see the syntax of the malloc. The PTR is equals to cast type malloc size. Next we see that the example of the malloc. PTR is equals to float malloc 100 size of the float. The above example locates 4 bytes of the memory. It becomes the size of the float is 4 bytes and the pointer PTR holds the address of the first byte in the allocated memory. In the expression result is the null pointer if the memory cannot be allocated. Next we discuss about the calloc. Calloc, it is the continuous allocation. The malloc function is locates the memory and leaves the memory initialized, whereas the calloc function locates the memory in initialized. All bits are 0. Next we say that the calloc syntax. Calloc syntax is PTR is equals to cast type star calloc n size. Example, PTR is equals to float calloc 25 size of the float. The above example it says that the above example locates the contiguous space in the memory for 25 elements of the type is float. Next we discuss about the free. Free is the function used to deallocate or allocated block of the memory which is located by using the function calloc, malloc or realloc. Next we see about the syntax of the free into PTR, where PTR means it is the pointer to the memory block. It is the statement of the free, the space located in the memory pointed by the PTR. Next we discuss about the realloc. Realloc means before using the realloc function, the memory should have been located using the malloc or calloc. Sometimes the allocated memory may be not sufficient and we many require additional memory space. Means sometimes the located memory may be much larger and we want to reduce the size of the located memory. In both situations, the size of the allocated memory can be changed using the realloc function. The process is called as the realloc. So next we see that the syntax of the realloc function. PTR equals to realloc into PTR x. Here PTR is the reallocated with the a new size x. In the dynamically allocated memory is efficient or more than the recursion, you can change the size of the previous allocated memory using the realloc function. Next we discuss about the difference between the malloc and calloc. Malloc in that locates the continuous block of the memory of the specified size. In that calloc allocate the multiple block of the memory, each block with the same size. In that second one in malloc, allocate the space will be not initialized but calloc is initialized to the 0. In that malloc third one is since no initialize take place, the time efficiently is the higher than the calloc. Calloc is the slightly more. In that syntax is the malloc. PTR is equals to data type star malloc size. Syntax of the calloc. PTR is equals to data type star calloc n size. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, get more DCA related videos.